What's up, everybody? It's your boy Truth, and it's been a minute since I had a package. I'm sitting here today on Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday!
That's what it is. Taco Tuesday. LeBron, I think he tried to get that copyrighted or something. Like he made it up. I don't know. It's crazy. Anyway, it's Tuesday. I got a package in the mail from Champs. Man, look at this. Look at the way this thing was shipped to me. Like, look at this. I mean, I know it's been a while, and they probably mad since I ain't purchased no shoes in a while, but hey, they could have packaged it a lot better. So, it's been a minute since I had a package, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. But my new motto is rock what you like and not what's hype. I'm gonna say that again. Rock what you like and not what's hype. You know what I'm saying? Don't rock a shoe, don't buy a shoe just because all the hype behind it, how much it's costing and stuff like that. I mean, they really butchered this box and this packaging and stuff like that. Anyway, talking too loud, my son don't like it. He can't hear his tablet. So I got the packing list here. And OG orange and white Nike box. You know what I'm saying? You see it right there. Big Nike logo there on the back end, that butt of that box. And then we have a size 11.5 Air Max 90 Essentials. For y'all that know me, that's been rocking with the channel, y'all know two Air Maxes that I really like, the Air Max 90 and the Air Max 97. So, a little bit of backstory on why I got this shoe. First off, it was for a steal. It was for the Lolo. And then the second reason is that it's been, I got rid of the all red shoe that I used to own, which is the all red Huaraches. So I don't have an all red shoe, you know, no all red J's or anything like that. So when I seen this one for the low, I was like, you know what, let me get it. We'll see if my son will hold one. Can you hold one, buddy? You got it? You gonna hold that one? Don't toss it now, just hold it. So here it is right here. Boom. Air Max 90, all red, University red. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute, buddy. You gonna swing it. It's not a yo-yo. All red, University red. All red upper. All red midsole. The all red air bubble on the back side of it. We do have hints of white on the back end where a pull tab would be. You have the Nike logo. And then you have the Air Max written there, boom, in white there, and then white on the tongue. I'm really thinking about doing a lace swap on these things now that I see them in hand with the white laces. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think below. Should I swap it out with the white? And I also really thought about, you know, go ahead and making the swoosh white. That'll give it my own unique swag to the shoe. But this is a little bit different on the toe box of that shoe. You see it's like almost like a mesh kind of box square material there, so it's a little bit different. You got the bottom of the shoe, same Air Max 90. Like I said, it's all red. I'm really digging the fact that they didn't go with the white bottom or anything like that, or throw hints of white now like that. So like I said, this was just a quick buy. It was cheap. I wasn't too concerned with, you know, whether or not people like it or not, but I just needed an all red shoe, and this is one of my favorite silhouettes, so there you go. You know what I'm saying? You guys let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you like them? What you think? I think they were like 70, 80 bucks. You know what I'm saying? I guess he got tired of being in the video. So not bad deal. Really nice shoe, like I said, in my opinion. So you guys let me know below. I'll put the, I think they're all sold out, to be honest with you. If it's not, I'll put the link down. You guys maybe, y'all can see it, get lucky and get a pair if you want a pair. But, oh, on the inside of the shoe, Nike Air with the red on the inside with the white Nike Air there. So like I said, just all in all, just needed a red pair of shoes. I think I did pretty good, justified right there. The suggested retail is $110, so $30 off is not bad. $40 off is not bad. Shipped to the crib, to the spot. So you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm all about, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. It's your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me know what y'all think about the Air Max 90 University Red. Yeah, I'm out.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad.